Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix camera black screen issue on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone, then scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, just tap on see all apps. Now just scroll down and tap on camera. Now from here, just tap on permissions. Now from here, just make sure you give the camera app the access to the camera, just like that. And once you do that, just go back and tap on storage and cache. Now from here, just tap on clear cache and tap on clear storage. Now just tap on delete. And once you do that, just go to your home screen and open the camera app. Now from here, tap on agree and tap on while using the app. Now from here, just tap on the settings icon at the upper right corner on the display and tap on more settings. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on restore defaults. Now from here, just tap on confirm. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware issue with the camera on your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to any service center and they will fix your problem. And this is how you can fix the camera black screen issue on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.